Need to see doctor? What do you say? Yes or no? Alright, let me take you to the same path. Why do we need to see the doctor? And when do we actually need to see the doctor? We usually feel that when we fell ill, that is the right time to see the doctor. Yes or no? Right? But we have heard, and you are actually by-hearted these lines, that prevention is better than cure, right? This is what is called as health checkup. Prevention is better than cure. Have you ever complained your parents to have a headache or eyes mein kuch dard and body ache or any kind of complaints? You have such complaints, right? Why this happens? Do you do some kind of labor that you feel headache or anything? Or just studying gives you headache? और मम्मा ने कभी ऐसा बोला? मुझे तो कभी नहीं हुआ. अपने उम्र में सर दर्द और पैर दर्द इतने बचपन में, you complain it right so early. कभी सुना है ऐसा डांट? Very usual, no? हमेशा पड़ता है. मैम ने डांटा, you don't listen to me. पापा ने डांटा, you don't listen to me. Why don't you listen to me? डांटा है ऐसा? जनरल है, ये तो बोलो जनरल है, बहुत जनरल चीज है. You know, and teachers also, I want you also to please pay attention to these things, wherein if suppose you are facing this problem with one particular child, that you have to again and again scold that child that he doesn't listen. You don't listen, you don't listen. Maybe the fact is that he is not listening. It's not that he is physically, hearing disability hai, but there can be a problem of abscess behind the eardrums. What happens is, when there is an abscess behind the eardrums, it's not always giving you pain in the initial stage, but it is very much there in your ear. It may not give you initially any pain. It takes time to enhance that situation, and then when it becomes a bigger one, then it starts giving you pain. And if you imagine, if it has become a bigger problem, then the cure will be, treatment will be bigger. You'll have to stay away from your studies, you'll have to stay away from school, you have to stay away from your games, sports, everything you have to leave just to have rest, medicines, and then stay at home at one place. Means whatever problem if you have as a physical problem, maybe a headache or any kind of kaan mein dard, sar mein dard, badan mein dard, fever, anything, daant mein dard especially. Have you faced toothache any time? होता है ना, इधर पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं, दांत में दर्द होता है. Many problems are there. अगर ऐसे problems होते हैं तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम खेल नहीं सकते, हम स्कूल नहीं जा सकते, हम फ्रेंड्स के साथ नहीं मिल सकते, हमें घर पे बैठना पड़ता है, रेस्ट करना पड़ता है, right? So we waste from today, you start doing one thing. Start calculating your time. How much time you have to waste, you had to waste while sitting at home idle just to take rest, when you are asked to take rest. अगर इसका percentage बढ़ रहा है रेस्ट का और बाकी के मजे वाले टाइम का कंपैरिजन में, तो इसका मतलब कहीं ना कहीं अंदर प्रॉब्लम धीरे धीरे बड़ा हो रहा है. टू क्योर दैट थिंग्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, जैसे आपको बोला जाता है ब्रश योर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे, डू यू डू दैट? Great, you do that. But you always carry used to carry this chips ka packet or cakes or anything. You are roaming around with your friends and you bought up chips ka, mama mujhe chahiye. And she bought it to you. You ate it, you rub your hands and then you walked away. Did you clean your mouth? No. We usually do not do. Not every time we eat something we clean up our mouth. It is not in habit, right? And it usually not happen even. That time, is it like कहीं पे कुछ भी मुंह में छूटा नहीं होगा? छूटा होगा, definitely. So there are particles left in our mouth if we have eaten something. Rather, if you haven't eaten something, you went outside, there are so much dust in the environment that you eat up. You don't want to, but you eat up. You intake that thing, the dust in the environment. You intake through your nose, you intake through your mouth, you intake through your eyes, even your skin intakes the dust outside. Means there are dirty things which are getting into your body, but you're not able to take that out. Why? Because you're unaware of that. और यही वो गंदी चीजें हैं जो बॉडी में जाके कहीं ना किसी तरीके की बीमारी हमारे अंदर पैदा करते हैं. Be it a skin disease, be it a nasal problem, be it a throat problem or eyes problem, any kind of thing. But there are problems are occurring in our body. आप रेगुलर फूड चाहे हेल्दी फूड खाओगे बट स्टिल देर आर सो मेनी अडल्ट्रेंट्स इन द पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स विच आर अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. बी इट कोई तेल आप ले लेंगे, चाहे आप दाल खाएंगे, एनीथिंग, देर आर अडल्ट्रेंट्स इन ऑल दी स्पाइसेस ऑल्सो, वी ऑल नो इट. सो वी आर नॉट ईटिंग हेल्दी, बट टू स्टे हेल्दी what we have to do is to just keep checking ourselves, do I have any कहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम शुरू तो नहीं हो गया मेरी बॉडी में. और इन सब का सबसे आसान तरीका होता है going for regular health checkup, because you can't stop eating from outside, you have to buy it from the market. You have to buy things from the market and you have to cook it at home and you have to eat it. So you can't stop that routine of life. But all you can do is that you, to keep healthy, to keep fit, you can go for a health checkup. And this is what is being provided from Preeti Pickles Healthcare Private Limited. We'll be conducting a health checkup in your school premises. There are having 4 doctors in your premises who will be checking you for your eyes, right here, both eyes, and if there will be any kind of small problem either in your eyes, it will be mentioned out here in this health card. This is a health card you will be provided later. And then remarks would be mentioned and doctor's name also would be there. Then there would be a dental checkup for extraoral, intraoral, tooth cavity, plaque, gum inflammation, stains, tartar, bad breath, gum bleeding, soft tissue, and any kind of important finding would be there. It will be mentioned out there in remarks and everything. The doctor's name also. Yeah, bad breath. Can you just place your hand here in front of your mouth and breathe like, and then smell it. Are you liking it? No, not at all. Maybe you liking it, and may you not be liking it. But let me tell you one more thing about this. If you're not liking the breath smell, that only doesn't mean that you haven't cleaned your mouth properly by brush. It may mean that you haven't cleaned your stomach this morning properly. You know, it is connected directly to your stomach. अगर आपने ठीक से freshen up नहीं हुआ morning में, then that also creates bad breath. So you might have brushed your teeth properly, you might have cleaned your tongue properly, but you haven't cleaned your stomach properly. That is the reason you're having this bad breath. So kindly do not see to the problem as if it is occurring in front. It may have a reason behind it which is hidden, right? So for all these things, we have these kind of health checkups. There will be general cleanliness examination also, which will be nails, hair, skin, all skin problems, ear, nose, throat, all checkup would be there. And all the details would be mentioned on this health card, which will be provided to you in a hard copy, as well as one soft copy would be uploaded on our website, naming www.preetikidshealthcare.com, so that anytime any teacher or parents want to cross-check any of the data, they can check. And if required to see any kind of doctor, your parents can take you to the relevant doctors, right? So do you think